further.
As someone who's experimented with AI video before, you understand the pain. You do video graphics, then go out to do voice, ambiance, and syncing, and then everything just falls apart. To solve this problem, I get to try out today the Kling 2.6 audio system inside Higgsfield. And my objective here is very simple. Can I create an entire scene with video, voice, and ambiance with just one pass?
Our traditions define who we are. We have lived here for centuries, honoring the ways of our ancestors.
What's up, everyone? George from Code and Create here. In today's video, we're going to be exploring Higgsfield AI, a platform where you can extract the best models in one place. We'll focus specifically on Kling 2.6 audio. And if you want to try it yourself, you can access everything through the links in the description. Once you're inside Higgsfield, just hover over Video and select Kling 2.6 from the models list. This will take you straight into the Kling 2.6 workspace. When you land on the dashboard, the layout is very straightforward. On the left side, this is where you control the generation. You can upload an image or generate one, write your prompt, and for Kling 2.6 audio, right now the audio is already enabled, so you don't need to activate anything extra. But if it is not activated, just toggle the button. Below that, you can quickly adjust things like the duration, the aspect ratio, and confirm that the Kling 2.6 model is selected. This is also where you'll spend most of your time when you're iterating and refining results. On the right side, this is where your outputs appear. Once the generation is done, you can preview the clip here, check how the visuals and audio work together, and decide whether you want to regenerate or export the result. Now, let's create our first scene and see how Kling 2.6 audio handles video and sound together. For this first test, I'm keeping it simple and realistic. We're generating a short 5-second 16:9 clip that looks like the opening of a YouTube video. A creator sitting at a desk greeting the audience. Make sure Kling 2.6 is selected, setting the duration to 5 seconds and keeping the aspect ratio at 16:9. Audio is already enabled, so there's nothing extra to turn on. I'll paste the prompt here. In the prompt, I'm describing the shot, the environment, and the performance together. I'm also including the exact line the character should say, so the model generates the visuals, voice, and ambiance in sync. Now, let's hit Generate, and then we'll review the result. All right, let's take a look at the result.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're testing something really interesting in AI video, so let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're testing something really interesting in AI video, so let's get started.
The first thing I'm checking is synchronization, how the voice matches the facial movement and whether it feels natural. The lip sync is clean, the timing feels right, and the voice doesn't feel disconnected from the video. Visually, the motion is stable, the camera stays clean, and nothing feels chaotic. For a 5-second clip generated in one pass, this is already pretty cool. Now let's switch to an ASMR style test, specifically keyboard typing. This kind of scene is all about detail. There's no strong dialogue, no dramatic motion, just subtle hand movement and sound. If the audio feels artificial or disconnected, you notice it immediately. I'm keeping the setup minimal again, 5 seconds, 16:9. The focus here is on realistic typing sounds, consistent rhythm, and a calm studio environment. Let's generate the clip, and then we'll listen closely to how natural the typing and ambience sound together. So here we go. The typing sounds feel close and detailed. You can hear the individual key presses, the rhythm, and even slight variations in pressure. Nothing feels overly compressed or artificial, which is usually the problem with ASMR-style generations. After ASMR, I want to switch gears completely and move into something more dynamic. This time, the focus is on environment and motion. No dialogue again, just a realistic rider on a modern motorcycle moving through a rainy city at night. The idea here is to feel the atmosphere.
You should clearly hear the rain and the bike together, balanced and grounded in the scene, not layered on top of each other. I'll keep it short, 5 seconds, 16:9. I describe the scene and sound in one prompt and let Kling 2.6 audio generate the full moment. All right, this one turned out really cool. You can clearly feel the speed here, not just visually, but through the sound as well. The engine has presence, the rain feels intense, and both are balanced in a way that makes the scene feel cohesive instead of layered. I also like how the motion stays controlled even at high speed. The camera doesn't feel chaotic, and the overall shot still feels cinematic rather than noisy. Next, I want to move into a short two-person dialogue. This is an interesting scenario because now the model has to handle more than just a single voice. It needs to manage multiple speakers, clear voice separation, natural timing between lines, and a shared environment that feels coherent. I'm setting this in a medieval scene on purpose. It's a clean, grounded setting with no modern distractions, which makes it easier to focus on what really matters here: performance, emotion, and atmosphere. So the goal isn't action or spectacle. It's to see how naturally the characters speak, how their voices fit the scene, and whether the dialogue feels believable within the environment. Let's go ahead and generate the video.
The enemy reached the valley. Then we ride before dawn. The enemy reached the valley. Then we ride before dawn.
This result is honestly impressive. Both voices are clearly separated, the timing between the lines feels natural, and nothing overlaps or feels rushed. That's usually the hardest part with multi-character dialogue, and it works really well here. I also like how the environment supports the conversation. The subtle background sounds and the atmosphere make the scene feel grounded without distracting from the dialogue itself. All right, I think this is a good place to wrap things up. We've gone through a few very different scenarios: ASMR-style sound design, environmental motion with rain and speed, and finally, a multi-character dialogue. And across all of them, the common theme is how well Kling 2.6 audio handles video and sound together as a single system. That's really the main takeaway here. Instead of generating visuals first and fixing audio later, you can create complete scenes in one pass with dialogue, ambiance, motion, and atmosphere already working together. And this is just one part of what Higgsfield AI offers. Inside the platform, you get access to multiple leading models for both image and video generation, including tools like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, WAN, and others, plus a growing set of features designed to make the workflow fast and creator-friendly. If you want to try it yourself, you'll find all the relevant links in the description below, including where to sign up and where to access the video generation tools. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future content. And if you have questions or ideas for other scenes you'd like to see tested, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to read them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.